everyone, today's topic is describe a time when you used mobile phone to do something important. Bullet points are when it was, what you did, why it was important and how did you feel. Now this cue card is related to the past as you can see from the verb, so you need to be a past tense into your mind. And in today's video, I'm going to cover my list of ideas so that you can choose appropriate idea to speak. Then I will share my simple answer. So stay connected with me till end. Let's get started. My first point is finding location. Now this is a very common point and we use a mobile phone to finding direction. Now suppose you have visited to a new place where you have lost and now you have to find direction. For that you use your Google map and you started your directions. So in this point you need to say that you used your mobile phone for finding location. My next point is to fill forms. If you are a high school, college or university student, you are likely to feel the burden of filling forms. Here you can talk about the experience, like which app you used. In this point, you can talk about the name of the app. For example, Adobe. Then you could say, I used Adobe app to fill forms. And this was very essential work because filling form was very important at that time. How much time it took. Here you can explain that how much time it took means you need to describe the time. It took me half an hour. Next point is you could say, is it easy or difficult for you to fill the form? Either you could say it was very easy because you have a smartphone and it's very easy to carry. Or you could say it was difficult. Next point is you use your mobile for shopping. As you know that online shopping has become so popular that everyone is using this method to buy products online. So in this point you can talk about pandemic or any other situation when you were not able to go shopping and you used your mobile phone. So you need to describe the time that why you used it for shopping and why it was not easy for you to go to the shopping. And here also you can describe about the sites like Amazon, Flipkart. So in this way I think this point is easy, so you can elaborate it. Next point is for online classes. You can talk about your phone to attend your online classes. This is the need of the hour. Whether you are a student or professional, you can take online classes to enhance your skills. And if you use mobile phone for that, it provides you mobility, interactive learning, and so many other benefits. Started my simple answer with the background and then I have provided introduction line. So let's read it. I have a smartphone of Vivo company. I purchased it a month ago. So it has new and advanced features. As a student, I use my phone for various things like to enhance my academic knowledge or to relax or to entertain myself. Today, I would like to talk about an incident in which my phone helped me a lot. It was a time when I was looking for a reputed college to pursue my higher studies. I selected the college. It was MGM. Then I came to know that to get admission, I had to clear a test. It was an entrance exam. I started preparation. It was online test. I had my laptop for that. On the day of the test, when I was trying to join the examination website, unfortunately my laptop hanged out. I tried everything to get rid of this problem. However, I failed. Then I tried it on my smartphone. I logged into it and started my test on my phone, but I faced many problems. Because it was a subjective type test where I had to type answers, it was very difficult for me to complete the test on time as keypad was very small. This test was paramount for me as it was a chance to continue my education to pursue my long-term goals. So somehow I managed to complete it and submitted it. I was worried about my results. Finally, when I got my results, I was overwhelmed. I cleared the entrance test and for this I give all credit to my mobile phone. Hope this is a very simple answer and you can easily grab it. Try to pick up some important vocabs and the sentence structure. This is all about my today's video. Hope you enjoy and learn something from it. Thank you.